Number 7. The weather was blank yesterday. The keyword is pleasant. A. Awful. B. Nice. C. Stormy. D. Freezing. Answer is letter B. The weather was nice yesterday. Number 8. His work was blanked by the manager. The keyword is appreciated. A. Ignored. B. Discouraged. C. Valued. D. Disliked. Answer is letter C. His work was valued by the manager. Number 9. She was blanked to join the group. The keyword is invited. A. Excluded. B. Refused. C. Welcomed. D. Ignored. Answer is letter C. She was welcomed to join the group. Number 10. They were asked to blank in the meeting. The keyword is participate. A. Withdraw. B. Join. C. Distract. D. Avoid. Answer is letter B. They were asked to join in the meeting. Number 11. The plan was blanked by everyone involved. The keyword is agreed. A. Accepted. B. Opposed. C. Ignored. D. Dismissed. Answer is letter A. The plan was accepted by everyone involved. Number 12. The teacher had to blank the instructions for the students. The keyword is repeat. A. Shorten. B. Reiterate. C. Disregard. D. Combine. Answer is letter B. The teacher had to reiterate the instructions for the students.